Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We are here today to actually rejoice with you. You know why? Because you have won. Has accepted our candidates, they know that they have already decided not to vote hunger, bad governance. This is what is prevalent in the whole country, not only Edo. Because they have failed, because they never had any plan, they came by providence of God. We can't change that destiny. But they know, the people now have realized that even though at that particular time they came through an illegal process, today they have been rejected. I want to use this opportunity to tell our security agencies, you are paid with taxpayers' money. You are to uphold the values for which you are created, to protect Nigerians, to ensure justice, and make sure that everyone is safe. Yes. A situation where you decide to take part, let me make this very clear. The earlier speakers have stated it all. You have to kill or arrest all of us if you have to take this step. We will be here, we will be with you. We are ready to give our vote, our blood for our rights. I want to make this very, very clear. You may have guns, but we have God. Yes, sir. To INEC, please, I enjoin you, like one of the speakers says, we don't want that midnight result announcement. We will be vigilant, we'll be on top of the situation, we'll make sure that that doesn't happen. And we are issuing this, is not a threat, but we are very, very serious. Bam! We will defend our votes. Bam! With everything, our blood and everything. Yes, sir. To the citizens of this country, please watch Edo. Watch the election of Edo. It will be a test for our democracy. If they mess us here, then it means they are looking for anarchy. We know they will attempt to do so, but we will resist them. And I'm urging all Nigerians, on the 21st of September, all eyes should be on Edo. With this, I want to assure you that the party is solely behind the candidate. We'll do everything possible to make sure that PDP has continued to give you good governance in Edo State. You have had it before. Don't allow any devil, any short devil, that we don't know from which planet he came to come and intimidate you here. We'll come for him. Thank you very much. Candidate. Thank you very much. On behalf of People's Democratic Party, the People's Democratic Party, PDP, is hereby presenting you the flag of victory. The flag of victory. We have done it before, we will do it again. Good luck and all the best.